Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to my beautiful garden. A relaxing Monday today together with my cat Ryu, while listening to the birds singing outside. And my other cats was there still trying to hunt Cha-Cha. This is my happy place, guys. This is my happy place with a lots of flowers in my surroundings. This is where I spend my whole day. I am relaxing now while listening to the birds singing outside. I'm gonna show you my beautiful garden. For me, it was beautiful. I hope you appreciate it also, guys. I love this kind of flowers. This rose, it's a lot, guys. Oh my goodness, it's first time to happen. Have a good day, everyone, and take care of your health, because health is wealth. Have a good day. Take care. Follow for more. Bye.